stop.
Three, just driving past and looked at you.
Go. Stop it, stop. How'd you see me?
Bex, everyone's looking at you. What did he say? What?
Stop dancing!
Right, lazy fat boy. What's going on? Next bus has come down by, we're going to Shells.
Why?
Why didn't we go to where I said we were meant to be going?
Why isn't Shelley?
So I don't know the fucking way. Go toilet. Oh! I'm going to join you back. Go. Pass it, hold it. I'm so hungry. Oh God, Adam! Someone go nick the pole off her. She doesn't know it's done. Why you got flashed?
Get a box again.